Hey guys, took me a while, but I finally got some rear crash bars for my bike. I got them on Amazon, like I do a lot of the accessories I put on here. So let me show you what I got. Okay, when you get this set up, they're going to be in two pieces. You'll have the loop piece that connects back here behind the side panel on each side and up here under the seat on each side. And then you'll have the saddlebag support bar here that connects back here to the fender mount and connects up here to this loop. This piece of hardware here, the screw and nut, will be in the package. These bolts back here and nuts will be on the bike when you take the old ones off. Up under the side panel, that bolt and nut will be there as well. But up here at the top, this is not here. There's just a threaded slot there on top of the frame where the seat is. Now I'll put this in text on the screen as well so you can see it. But that bolt is a Torx head button screw that's 3/8 16 by 22 millimeters. So it's basically 7/8 long. I think mine is actually an inch long because they didn't have 7/8. But if you look for 3/8-16 and then either 7/8 or 1 inch, that's what I have there. And I got two of them, one for each side. And there's the old piece that came off, just the saddlebag support bar that was on there before. And obviously you won't use that again, but for some reason on a blacked out bike, that little bracket there's chrome. A couple of other, there was a couple other pieces of chrome that were on the bike that I removed, but that'll be gone as well. Not that anybody will ever see that, but it seems kind of odd that there's still chrome parts on a blacked out bike. But anyway, so that just replaces your old bar right there. So you got the front bolt goes in the loop part and the back bolts go in the back here on the frame. Fits right in there, looks great. Now the stock seat does get a little bit of a wrinkle underneath it right here where these are because they're not really made for this type of bar, and I'm not sure if it's because there's no bend right there. But it don't matter to me because they're just there to keep the bags from getting scratched if I drop the bike. So, and they're very inexpensive. I'll leave a link down below so you can get some on Amazon. Like many of my videos, I try to feature the stuff that I get on Amazon that's less expensive. Just one last quick look with them on the bike so you can see. They look really good. And they will definitely protect the bike from a tip over. Especially when I'm out practicing my slow speed maneuvers, which I haven't done much of because I didn't have these crash guards. But now that I got them, I'll be out practicing. Now I will put a link to the other accessories that I have on this bike that I got from Amazon, because I got a lot of good ones at a lot less price than what you pay at the dealership or some of those name brand products. I'll also put the links down below for the videos where I featured those products, and you can check them out for yourself. But these are very simple to put on. They seem really sturdy. I haven't dropped the bike yet, and I hope I don't. I don't want to test them, but I think they'll be fine. They look good. They fit fine. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to get some crash guards on the back of your bike, check out the link below and see if you can get you some. I appreciate all the comments and all the likes. Please continue to do so. If you have anything to say or you got any questions or you got anything you want to post up, just drop it down in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. I appreciate you guys coming back. Y'all stay safe and we'll see you on the next one.